Let's create some slow motion videos using the CapCut editing application. If you've ever wanted to give your videos a cinematic feel, you're in the right place. Whether you want to slow down the entire video for a dreamy effect or highlight specific moments, just follow my steps and watch this video until the end. I'll show you 2 methods to slow down your videos in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project by adding the video you want to slow down. Here's my video, and we can start by selecting it in the timeline. At the bottom, you'll see a variety of tools. We'll select the Speed tool, which will present us with 2 options, Normal and Curve. If you're a beginner, start with the Normal option. This will open a speed slider. Drag the slider to the left, and your video will slow down uniformly. You can set the speed to 0, 5, 0, 3, or even slower. You'll see the result and can adjust as needed. That's the first way to slow down a video. The second method is using the Curve option, which gives you more control over the slow motion effect using keyframes. You'll see some presets, but we'll select the Custom option. Here, you'll see a menu with 5 default keyframes. You can slow down the video by moving the keyframes downward. The further down you go, the slower the video will be. This method lets you control the speed of specific parts of the video. For instance, one keyframe can be normal speed, while another is super slow. If you need more keyframes, tap the Add Beat option, and it will add a keyframe to your timeline. Take your time to customize the speed exactly how you want. Once you're done, you can export the video or save it to your photo gallery. These are the 2 different ways to slow down videos in CapCut, making your edits cooler and more cinematic. If you want more CapCut tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out the CapCut playlist linked in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.